Activate. Activate.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Michalis FPV. We are ready now to test the new drone that I have from the iFLIGHT. Is the CINE long range 7" with the new camera of the DJI, the 04 Pro Air unit. Now we're gonna make a flight test, and also we're gonna see the image of the camera. And I use a battery 6S 2200 mAh, and we're gonna make a flight test to see first how it's behave in the air. I use the Google's 2. I don't have the Google's 3. So we're gonna have some limits for sure. I think many of you don't have the Google's 3, so you will be very interesting to see how it's behave with the old version of the goggles. So let's concentrate to the flight. Let's see how it's behave, and we come back for to change the battery, and we're gonna test the long range. So we have 14 satellites, and let's start. Really the drone, it's fly very smoothly. I like it. I think the satellites still, there are not so many as I was thinking. I have the Chimera 7, and I got around 22 satellites, but okay, maybe after a while we gonna have more. So I have a problem with my breath because it's make a little bit blurry, you know, my goggles, and especially my right eye. See everything very blurry. I don't know why. And of course the goggles too. Many pilots, they have problem with the face. I try to open a little bit to get less blurry. Okay, probably it's my breath. My breath is going to the glasses inside to the goggles. So let's try more lower fly. Of course, the quality of the video is not so good because we don't have any filters. So I think when I'm gonna get it, then we're gonna see really with sunshine how it is. So here it's a point that always when I'm flying behind from the bushes, the video transmission is getting low. So let's try with the 04. Never I tried with the 04. So that's why I'm not going, as you see, it's going lower. The penetration, I think it's a little bit better from the 03 in this point. Okay. Let's make a little bit more fast flying. Let's try a power S. Okay, the 7-inch FPV drones, they are not made for freestyle. And of course, I'm not the best freestyler pilot. But I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Of course, this drone, as also the name say of the model, it's cinematic for more smooth flights and for long range. I was thinking, you know, to don't use this battery that is only 2,200 milliamperes, the capacity, LiPo battery, and for the long range, you know, to use the bigger one that I have, the 5,600 milliampere battery. Whoop. Okay. I will try a roll. Okay. Not bad. As I see the drone fly really very smoothly, the control is very nice. I have very good feeling. I'm very comfortable. Just I would like to ask you apologies for my English. My English are not so good. But I hope you understand me. So don't take me bad for that. Oh, that one, it was good. Okay, already we have 6 minutes fly. As I see, the capacity of the voltage cells is 3.66. I think with 2,200 milliampere LiPo battery 6S, you're gonna have around 7 minutes of fly without, of course, an action camera on it. So here, whatever you see now, it's from the 04 Pro air unit. But of course, we don't have the ND filters, so that's why probably we don't have the best quality of the video. So I'm coming back. We have passed the 7 minutes of fly and it's time for landing. I hope to land good. Always is a challenge to land a FPV drone for me. It's the most difficult part. Okay. So let's go for the second battery.